From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the US dollar against the Japanese yen. The US dollar initially did fall against the Japanese yen during trading on Friday, but has turned around to show signs of life again. Ultimately, this is a market that I think is going to try to rally back towards the 145 yen level based on interest rate differential alone. That being said, I do see a lot of noise above there, and I think we are entering a time of extreme choppiness and consolidation. As I look around the Forex world, I see a lot of this behavior. And generally, what that means is that you are entering a regime shift. The US dollar has been sold off so viciously that I think we're about to see the whole thing turn around. And in Japan, it won't be any different than it might be in Europe or even the United Kingdom, which is, with its British pound, one of the more stout currencies. I'm starting to see a lack of appetite for shorting the greenback. So are we going to be in a regime of pro-US dollar again? I think it may very well come down to that. After all, the global economy runs on US dollars. Well over 50% of all transactions internationally demand US dollars. And if you have a situation where you need dollars, you step into the Forex market and buy them, or use swap lines through central banks, those type of things. At this point, I think the candlestick from Thursday is very important. If we could somehow blow above the top of that shooting star, the US dollar is probably going to be off to the races. It will be very choppy, but I look at this as an opportunity to hang on to a longer term trade, because if it works, you get paid the entire time you hold it. Expect a lot of noise, expect a lot of choppiness, but I think we're in the process of trying to bottom here. Interest rates in America remain very high. In Japan, they have problems with people in the bond market right now not even buying bonds. That is a horrific turn of events. And if that keeps up, the Bank of Japan will step in and start buying bonds again, doing quantitative easing. We may have seen basically the end of yen strength. Time will tell. It won't be an easy trade to hang on to, but this is something that's going into my portfolio in a small position that I can just simply collect the swap at the end of every day. And then once it starts moving in my direction, I'm adding to it. We'll see. 140 yen does seem to be important, so anything below there could open up the floodgates. My name's Chris. I work for Daily Forex. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more analysis.